guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be having a look at the KZ ZSAs. These actually got sent to me, which is really cool. They also sent me a set of the KZ ZS10s. So we got the ZSAs and the ZS10s. I've actually done a number of videos on the ZS10s. The ones I reviewed actually the blue model. These actually are the black model. I'm sure that they sound the same, just a different colour, so I'm not going to get these out and try them. I actually want to send them out to somebody, so I'll add something at the end of this video. First off, looking at these ZSAs, they have great build quality. They're not really an ergonomic design, similar shape to the ZS5s and ZS6, a metal or aluminium casing similar to the ZS6. They feel strong and light, and actually come with the same cable as the ZS10s, which I really like. These cables are a really big upgrade compared to some of the earlier KZs. These ZSAs are actually really small, a lot smaller than previous models. Because of this, I don't really like the fit of the ZSAs. I feel that they don't isolate and fit very well. They do hook over the ear like all the other KZs. They are quite small in your ear and they just don't feel like they're staying in your ear 100%. This is also down to the ear tip. I recommend upgrading the ear tips on all KZs. I don't think that the ear tips that come with them are very good at all, and upgrading the ear tip will help hold in the bass and give you a lot nicer sound. The ZSAs are quite bright sounding, they're really crisp and sharp. They're not big and boomy, but I did get a fair bit of bass and some sub bass in certain songs. You'll get lots of highs and they're quite detailed. They're not overpowering like some KZs, which is really nice. I would say that these ZSAs are more flat sounding than other KZs. The vocals seem a little bit more forward, more dominant compared to some of the others. The sound stage is okay, not as wide as something like the ZS10, but I didn't enjoy listening to these as much as some of the other models. They don't actually sound that bad, and I do have to remember that these are only around $20 to $25, and the build of these is really amazing. It does seem like a really premium product. And for $20, you really do get a lot for your money. But there is so many KZ models, I don't think that they're the best. I've actually done a lot of review videos of the KZs, and I will try to link some of them to this video. With all my reviews, I'm not a serious audiophile. I don't hook these to an amplifier or anything special, just run them from my phone. These videos are really for someone who's just getting into IEMs, sees a big list of different models and is interested to see which one is best suited to them. These are really just my opinions on the different models, and out of all the different models I've tried, I think that the KZ ZS10 is the best. I think they have the best sound stage, really nice overall sound, really dynamic. I really find them immersive and detailed, and I really love listening to them. They are around twice the price of the ZSAs, but I highly recommend them. If you're looking for something more budget, I recommend the ZS3s. I really like them. They're a lot more bassy, they're not quite as detailed as some of the other KZs. The sound stage is still pretty good, but I really just love the overall sound. Really fun sounding, like I said, really bassy, and I just love listening to them, so I highly recommend them. I've mentioned in previous reviews that a lot of the KZ models I find quite harsh. The ZS10s, the ZSRs, the ZS5s. A lot of these have blown out highs, and I really don't like listening to them. If you were to upgrade the cable to something like the ZSAs or the ZS10s, you are going to get a lot better sound out of these. And the same goes with the ZS3s. However, the connection's a little bit different. The ZS3 have a straight connection, whereas the ZS10 and a lot of the other KZs have a bent connection. The ZS10 cable won't fit into the ZS3s. Also bought another copper cable, and the same thing, it won't fit in. However, the ZSA cable will fit in, and it's a little bit different, and I did notice a better sound using that cable on the ZS3s. So if you were to upgrade any of the other KZs with the braided cable, you will get a better sound. So overall, for $20, the ZSAs really are good value. The build quality is really amazing, and they do feel like a premium product. And the cable that comes with them is really nice. And they do sound okay. But if I was going to get a KZ, I'd get one of those other models like I mentioned. So like I said at the start of the video, I did get an extra set of the ZS10s, and I did want to send them out to somebody. In my previous giveaway, I was able to send it to anywhere in the world. I sent it directly from the supplier, but this one I'm going to have to send out, and sending out of Australia is quite expensive, so this is going to be a local giveaway. All you need to do is, if you live in Australia, comment down below which state you live in, and also tell me why you would like to win a set of the KZs. And then hopefully in 3 weeks I'll send out a set of these. I will announce it on my Instagram. I won't be making a video like the previous giveaway. Hopefully this video has been helpful if you're looking at the ZSAs. If you have any questions, comment down below. I always get back ASAP, and I'll see you in the next one.